How to fix won't send MMS messages on Samsung A08. Let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, click on connection. After click on connection, click on SIM manager. After click on SIM manager, so turn on SIM button. After turn on SIM button, go back to home screen. Open quick settings panel and turn on mobile data and turn off mobile data. Turn on or turn off mobile data 1 to 3 times. After the process, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, so just click on outside power button and volume down button at the time. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it doesn't fix this problem, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on apps. After click on apps, scroll down and search messages app. Click on storage and click on clear cache. After clear cache messages app, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, so last solution is reset network settings. Click on settings app. Click on general management and click on reset and reset network settings. Enter phone pin, click on continue and click on reset. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.